Hello children, very good morning to you all. All are good and safe at home. Today we are going to learn block 11 LP3, my favorite puppet. Look at this. Hello. This is a hand puppet. Hello. How are you all? This is a one type of puppet. See here, pass the puppets and we have to talk about the puppets. Okay children? Hello. Hello. Say hello to me.
Hello.
Very good. Come, I will show you some puppets. Okay? Children, look here. See here all the puppets I kept here. Now you have to tell me what is the name of the puppet. Okay. I will tell the monkey puppet is here, cock puppet, duck puppet, crow puppet, and what is this? Teddy, what is the bear puppet? Everything is here. Okay. Now I will show you. Hello children, which puppet is this? Do you know?
Bear ma'am.
Yeah, this is there, no? Very nice, the children.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, see here. Your favorite puppet is here. Which puppet is this? Tell me
Monkey
now.
ma'am.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Monkey will jump from tree to tree. Okay. What is this? Do you know this? They have seen near your house. What is this?
No ma'am.
You don't see this? This is cock. Okay. See here, cock. Cuckoo, cuckoo. It make noise, no children. The cock will live near your house. Ask your mama to show your cock. Okay, she will show you. See here. What is this? Here. What is this? This is the lion. Lion is the king of the forest, children. Lion puppet. Okay. See here. This is a beautiful bird. Our national bird. What is this? Peacock. What is this? Peacock, children. See here. Peacock puppet. Peacock puppet. This is. Okay. If you come to school, no, I will show you. See here. If you go to Dasara, you will meet one animal. No. Which animal is that?
Elephant
Yeah,
ma'am.
elephant. Oh, it make noise, no? See here how nice it is. Yes. Now this is a beautiful and white color animal. This is rabbit. What is this?
The rabbit ma'am.
Nice, no children? See
Yes
a
ma'am.
rabbit. How nice it is. See a rabbit. This is the rabbit puppet. See here. This is crow. Caw, caw, caw. It make noise, no? This is the crow puppet. Look at this. This is the duck. Duck. Duck puppet. Okay. See here all the puppets, children. I kept on the table. Look here. See here cock, monkey. This is bear, crow, duck, rabbit, peacock, elephant. Okay. Hello children, look here. I'll teach you Imi the cat story. Okay, in that story, grandma is there, cat is there. Come, let us take out your tales and tune, nursery tales and tunes. Okay, book and take open page number 6565. Imi the cat. Okay, meow meow says Imi the cat. She's so cuddly. She's so fat. Imi the cat wear my cap. She likes to sit on Granny's lap. Where is she sitting? The cat is sitting on Granny's lap. Okay. Imi the cat drinks milk from my cup. See here, the Imi the cat drinks the milk from the cup. She likes to play with my little pup. Imi the cat likes to play with little pup. Imi the cat likes being fed. Then she hides under the bed. What the Imi the cat will do? What is the name of the cat?
Imi ma'am.
Yeah, the cat name of the cat is Imi. She will drink, children? You have seen cat?
Yes
What the
ma'am.
cat drinks?
Milk ma'am.
Yeah, the cat drinks milk. Okay. She likes to sit on where she likes to sit. Do you like to sit with Granny's lap, no children?
Yes ma'am.
Like that, the cat wanted to sit on Granny's lap. Okay. Imi the cat drinks milk. She liked to play with the pup. What is the name?
Dog ma'am.
Yeah, the dog, the puppy. They wanted to play with the puppy. Cat liked to be fed and she hide under the bed. And she fed up, no, she'll get bored, no, she will go and sleep under the bed. Okay.
Yes
Who is
ma'am.
she?
Grandma ma'am.
Yeah, she is a grandma. Do you have grandma at home, children?
Yes ma'am.
Yeah, do you like to play with your grandma?
Yes ma'am.
Like that, the cat wanted to play with grandma. And she is sitting on grandma's lap. Do you all wanted to sit on grandma's lap?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How the cat make noise? You tell me, children.
Meow, meow, ma'am.
Yeah, it make meow meow. What is the dog sound?
Bow, bow.
Yeah, the dog bow bow. No, it will make sound like a bow bow. The cat ring. What it rings?
Milk, ma'am.
Yeah, cat drinks milk like that. Every day you should drink one glass of milk, children. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I'm going to teach you numbers 1 to 10. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'll repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repeat after me, children. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Now I will teach you number rhymes. Okay. In one little finger. Okay. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little finger. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little finger. 10 little fingers in all. I'll repeat again. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers in all. Okay, I'll do the action, children. Now you repeat after me. Now I will do the action. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers, 10 little fingers in all. Okay. Say 1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers,
1 little, 2 little, 3 little fingers.
4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers,
4 little, 5 little, 6 little fingers.
7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers,
7 little, 8 little, 9 little fingers.
10 little fingers in all.
10 little fingers in all.
Have you learned the rhyme, children?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you enjoy that?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
I'm going to teach letter J, Jammy in the jungle. Okay? J for jaguar, J for jet, J for jeep, J for jar. Okay? Say J for jaguar,
J for jaguar.
J for jet,
J for jet.
J for jeep,
J for jeep.
J for jam.
J for jam.
I'm going to teach you the story, children. The story name is Jammy in the Jungle. Jammy the jaguar wore his flying jacket to fly his jumbo jet. He flew over the jungle in his jumbo jet. He saw a jeep. The jeep was full of juice, jam, and jelly. Jammy the jaguar landed his jumbo jet. He ate the jam and jelly from the jar. He drank all the juice, then he rubbed his belly and jumped around happily. Okay, J for jet, J for jeep, J for jar, J for jaguar, J for jelly, J for jeep, J for jet. Okay. Now what will happen? You see Jammy the jaguar. What is the name of the jaguar?
Jammy.
Okay. He wore his flying jacket to fly in his jumbo jet. He wore his flying jumbo jacket to fly in the jet. He flew over the jungle. Where he flew over the jungle. He saw a jeep. It's full of juice, jam, and jelly. The jeep is full of juice, jam, and jelly. Jammy the jaguar landed his jumbo jet. Why? In the jeep, what is there? Jam, juice, jelly, everything is there. So he wanted to eat all these things. So he was landed the jet there in the jungle. He ate he ate the jam, jelly, and from the jar. He drank all the juice. Then he rubbed his belly and jumped around happily. He ate jam, jelly, and he was very happily. He drank all the juice and he was very happy. Children, all enjoy this. Did you all enjoy the class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Happy learning. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.